Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality and Merry Christmas. I know a lot of you have been watching my junk journal advent box videos that I've been doing on my shorts shorts tab. So if you want to go back and watch those, you can. But I wanted to do a video where I show everything that I have received and then go ahead and open up day number 25 at the end. This is half of them, days 1 through 12. So I'll just go ahead quickly and show you. So day number 1, I received this vintage milk coupon book. This is so adorable. And it has, they're kind of like the size of a regular ticket, but they're milk coupons, and there's different colors in there, pink and green and blue. Another green, I guess that was yellow. Now there's yellow. But anyways, that was super cute. And then day number 2 is this really pretty vintage lace that has cherries. That is adorable. And then day number 3 were these beautiful doilies. These were, all of these items, my friend Michelle, my best friend Michelle, sent me this box, and it's stuff that she had been collecting from thrift stores and estate sales and things like that. Here's day number 4, red envelopes, letter size, very cool. Day number 5 are these little tiny notes. They're recipe cards actually, so super cute. I think they're all, oh, there's different ones there. There's an old-fashioned or antique stove oven, and then the chickens there, or the chicken. Day number 6 was a little bundle of rickrack. So there's green, red and white, little tiny yellow, little tiny blue, a pink, another light blue, teal, and another light blue. So that was awesome. I use rickrack on every journal probably. And then over here to number 7 was this Rumpelstiltskin little golden book. It's super cute. I wanted to see when it was made. 1962. I do not have this book. I have lots of little golden books. I kind of collect them and then I make journals out of them. This one is just really cute, and I didn't even know they had one. That was that story. Okay, day number 8 are these really pretty buttons. There are really unique ones in here. This one I thought was super pretty. It's kind of a, oops, it's kind of a gold, a clear with gold. And then all these other ones in here with reds and greens and teals. Kind of all go with a Christmas and winter theme. Day number 9 was this Christmas stationery, and this is so cute. I love it. It has Joseph and baby Jesus and the lamb. Just adorable. Day number 10 were a bundle of vintage recipe cards. They're the Betty Crocker recipe card library, and so they're really cute ones for the different holidays and just other regular days. I love these kind of recipe cards. The pictures are just beautiful and very interesting, the recipes that they had back then. I'm not sure what the dates, let's see, 1971. So yeah, these are great. And like I said, they had interesting recipes back in the day. That's something that I would have liked though, that raspberry ring. Well, not the jello part, but the inside fluff part. I would have liked that. But yeah, those are really cool. Excuse me. And then day number 11 were these super cute napkins. I think they're all the same. Yeah, they're just super cute with the cat the bear and the dog. And then day number 12 is this beautiful lace here. Really cute lace trim. All right, and we'll move on to the next set of 12 days. All right, day number 13 were 2 vintage books, Red Riding Hood and Sleeping Beauty. And these are just the cutest little books. I love them. They're so bright. And then I'll show you the Sleeping Beauty one. So cute. All right. Day number 14 were a set of vintage bingo cards. They're all the black and white ones. I really love bingo cards in my journals. And then day number 15 was this bundle of laces. So those are really pretty white with green and red and gold ruffly lace there. And then here are some seam laces. So really beautiful. It's also tied up with this really pretty embroider edge lace, or like edging, I guess. Day number 16 is another set of doilies, and these are adorable with the cute little Santas. Day number 17 were a bundle of red tickets. And then on to day number 18 is this beautiful lace, and it has little tiny flowers that are in the shape of a heart, and then has the trim on the edge, like an embroidered trim. It's similar to this one, but just a little bit smaller, and these are just hearts. And then day number, wait, where's 19? Oh, I left a couple out. I apologize. Let's see. Let me grab them here. So day number 19 were these really cute cards. These are adorable. They're invitation cards for a Christmas party. Just really cute. And then day number 19 here. Where's 19? Wait, that was 19. Sorry, I am really off. Day number 20 are green envelopes. And then day number 21 is another set of stationery, or a little pad of stationery. This is adorable with the dogs and the stockings. Or stocking. All right, on to 22 is another set of doilies, and these have the poinsettias and the candles and the holly berries and holly leaves. So those are really cute. Day 23 are 2 little golden books, and these are other ones that I did not have. I have like other versions of Sleeping Beauty, but not this one. This is the one from 1957. So just a beautiful vintage little golden book. And then Thumbelina. This is adorable. So cute. And this one is from 1953. So cute. I'm so sorry. This is the morning time and my voice is not awake yet. Yeah. I did have some coffee, but I need some water evidently. Okay, and then we just opened up this one yesterday, and this was just a little card of laces. So pretty. All right, the ultimate last gift here that you've all been waiting for. Day number 25. Let me know down below in the comments what have been your favorite items that I opened up. I'm not sure what mine are. I think it might be the stationery, because that just brings back childhood memories of writing pen pals and friends and family when you used to write letters to people. I did that all the time, and I had a huge collection of stationery, and usually the stationery would include the paper pad and the envelopes that match. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. It says Songs of Christmas Decorated Holiday Napkins. Wow. Oh my. This is so awesome. Oh, come all you faithful. See, there's several. I think that's what. Oh no, there's another one. Oh wow. Okay, so there's Oh Come All You Faithful. That's what all those are. And then there's the First Noel. And then Away in the Manger. That is so pretty. These are amazing. And then It Came Upon a Midnight Clear. And then We Three Kings of Orient Are. And that's it. Oh, I love them. Wow. This was so awesome. And again, thank you, Michelle, my sweet best friend, for doing this. She saw my video last year of the Advent box that I had purchased on Etsy. I'll try and put the link for any of those videos down below. I can't remember how many I made of them, but she saw that and thought it would just be fun to put together something like this for me, and I really appreciate it. I love you, Michelle. Thank you so much, and thank you, everyone. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm not sure. I know I'll be doing this video is coming out, and then I may have one more video before the end of the year, just a book that I made for a Christmas present. So go ahead and come back. That'll be after Christmas. And yeah, just God bless everyone here. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.